Okay, so we're here, stopped over. We're right on Queen Kaahumanu. We just left our hotel stay. There's some really cool helicopters there for helicopter tours. Pat's contact came out, so he's putting it back in. But anyways, we're here. We're staying in Waikoloa, right here, and then we're gonna head out to. We're gonna go along the coastline right here, all along here, all the way down here. Ocean view, Na'alehu, Pahala, and then we'll end up in Volcano National Park around here, and we'll probably do a full circle island today. Anyway, that's our plan. Yeah. Pat's having such a good time. He's tearing and he's crying. He can't take it anymore. It's too good to be true. At least. Oh, he's adding tears. I'm sorry. Are we good?
Yep.
Right on.
Eye drops, eye saver. Woo! Contact was right here.
So this sucker, I didn't have this thing capped on carefully. This thing wasn't centered when I tightened this thing up, so it shook. And all this fuel leaked out all over, and it just damaged my seat and ruined it. It seared the vinyl. And this is just all messy. There's all this gunk all over the seat. Gasoline and dust. Mark was nice enough though. He did wipe down my bike. Cleared off the bugs off the windshield. That was nice.
Hey.
Ready?
Eyes is ready. You filming here?
Okay, let's get going. You're gonna lead?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I ride too slow, you guys can pass me.
Right on. Yeehaw! Oh, there's a nice little tree there in the middle of nowhere. Another nice little tree there in the middle of nowhere.